Okay, hello people, and in this video I'm going to show you a very simple way of creating a virus, I can say, but it's not an actual virus, but it can work as a virus, so let's just call it a virus. It's a very simple one and it's going to use the command prompt, so you don't need any programming tools. Only a Microsoft Windows operating system is required, which is basically the one you are using, and if not, you can try and check out later. Maybe I may post something that is not Windows related, but it's a very simple virus that only requires you to have the notepad, which is pre-installed in the Windows operating system. And it's nice because I've tried to pull it once, and it was at school, and I really, yeah, it really hurt some people because it deleted most of their files and important files, including the games, which was something that was very important and precious to them. But that's not for today, so let's get started directly. And if you've not checked out my video about the command prompt, it's very essential for you before you watch this video currently, because it's built from the command prompt, and it is good if you watch the previous video, then you proceed with this one. So I'll leave a link in the description and at the end of the video, so you can have access to my previous video that will give you a basic introduction on the command line. So let's begin. And in this virus is going to delete basically any file, including itself, which is in the current directory and subdirectories. So let's say I'm having this folder called data on my desktop, and it currently has a lot of stuff, very many. Somebody was trying to build a website, an application, and so I wanna ruin their stuff. I wanna ruin all their work. I want to ruin their life. I want to destroy their data completely. But before I proceed, let me give you a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes. Doing this is not, and if you do something that you've learned from here and you do it maliciously, it's not upon me, it's upon you. So this video is only for educational purposes only. And by starting, I'm going to use the command prompt and window plus R, the window key plus R, and then I'm going to type CMD, and there is my command prompt. So let's learn some few basic commands. First of them is echo off, echo off, which basically eliminates any output upon the command, upon any command that we type. And then I'm going to set the title of the current session, and then I'm going to say creating a virus. Clear the screen. So as you can see at the top here, it says creating a virus. Those are the two new commands that I can teach you for today. Then I'm going to type in notepad. Notepad. Then I'm going to start creating the virus in actual sense. So this virus is just a combination of the command line commands, and they are usually called batch files, as they are having an extension of .bat or .bat. So they run in any Microsoft Windows supported, in any Microsoft Windows computer. So the first thing you're going to do is, as you can see here in the command window, I wrote the command echo off, which eliminated any output from the CMD, and to bring it back you have to write echo on, just as simple as that. So in the command window, in the notepad, we're going to start with this command, that very same command, echo off. So we do not want any output from the command as this file, the bat files, executes. So it's just a combination of the command line commands, and then the real command that you're taking a look today is the del command that I've also covered in my previous video. Don't delay, go and check it out. So it's del, and then I'm going to say /s. /s means it's going to delete also files that are in other subfolders. And another argument is /q, which means in quiet mode. It won't ask to prompt whether are you sure you want to delete it or not. And then I'm going to pass the wildcard character, which means any file name with any extension. And so we are done. I can save it. Now the important part is that don't forget, in saving, let's say I save it as virus, the extension is not going to be .text or .txt, it's going to be .bat. And then very importantly, don't forget to put this to all files, or else it's going to save it as a normal text file and it won't be executable. So it's a .bat file, and then I'm going to save it, and then I close that and I close that too. Exit. So remember that this virus, as I said previously, it's going to delete any content or any file that is in the current directory and subfolders, including itself. So I don't want to delete all the content in my desktop. I just want to delete the content in this file that is called data. So you may try one to rename it into something colorful. Maybe don't click this, because people usually are tempted to click what is said don't click. So just as a matter of testing, let's try and run this. So it's virus.bat. Maybe I said it to rename it like don't click this. Somebody will be tempted to click it, and the moment he clicks it to open, as you can see, all the files in the current directory will be completely deleted. Current directory and subdirectory. So there is nothing here. All the files that were here are gone. All the files that were here are gone. Only the folders are left, but are left completely empty. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Till next time.